Waking up with jaw pain or facial tension? You might be suffering from bruxism. Bruxism is the involuntary habit of clenching or grinding your teeth, leading to pain, tooth damage, and even migraines. The solution: Botox. It relaxes the masseter muscle, reducing tension without affecting jaw function. Benefits of Botox for bruxism: relieves jaw pain and tension, prevents tooth wear and damage, reduces headaches and migraines, slims the jawline over time. It's a quick, safe procedure with visible results in just a few days. Say goodbye to bruxism and hello to a tension-free jaw. Book your consultation today and see if this treatment is right for you.